mina into engayithandi ukuthi umuntu efuna uprove ipoint lakhe ngami ya lokho ngeke nguvimbe ngoba nami okungihlule nami ngomhlule abo masimana naye asimakani ngalula first nje sithintana naye wathi hayi woza ndoda namhlanje usuku lakhe nami sengiyacabanga ukuthi hayi ke namhlanje shuthi ngiphuma nawo red card lento ayishoyo ngeke ngize ngivumelane naye ngoba nami ngiyayifuna lento ayifuna nami ngiyayifuna lento ngoba nami ngaze ngatshela uref ngathi ngithi yabo ukudlala kanjani mina naye into impi yamadoda ke angiyawustedele seventh.
They are flying in the air and then he comes out and is having a problem in his head. We're thinking he's got concussion. We don't know if he's gonna be okay or not.
Actually yena ngathi ewaphezulu kwami ibona ngathi ngiyaphuma abona ukuthi usekhululekile khona kwangavuma ukuthi ngibuye ngoba lapha kubuyanga kwaba right akudlaleka kahle kodwa ngoba ngathi wangibiza hayi uzobona ukuthi ngiyambalekela mathi ngiyaphuma nami sengibela wethemba ukuthi hayi ngolo ngokuzayo hayi namhlanje.
As you can imagine now, that puts more pressure on the team, and not only on the team, also on the coach, because now we have to do something. Not only now we are forced to chase a goal, but we have to make sure that they don't score another one.
They need something to happen for them, and they need to happen quickly. Jaden Adams picks out Tashrick Matthews. He's going to goes for glory himself. He had Reynes to pick out. He was unmarked.
So, I don't know, at the Players' Lounge, we had the confidence that we were going to come back, and I think it was actually a carbon copy of the game that we played here at Orlando. To say they started strong first half, we finished strong.
Picks out Tashrick Matthews. He's going to goes for glory himself when he had Reynes to pick out.
But then it's no problem because uKasongo simbuyisele move. Kasongo lele right back. Kasongo sibele.
Esiphumbula umpitsa Kasongo no but Kasongo. Obvious Kasongo ke re ya kitim. So le nna obvious ka moya. Ke ma talent.
Manje Kasongo masimbe right back. Asna maybe what we had in the first game. So obviously coach had to shuffle the team alete Oshand.
They take out Tito, and then they take Sebelebele, who was playing as a right back, to play as a winger. And then I kind of knew that okay, maybe this is a tactical change.
And then after exactly that sub, we started looking like we're gonna score.
We could see that we're starting to get our rhythm and the momentum. We got a few chances, half chances there by the end of the half.
And then half time.
Come on, it's not finished. 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 We have still 45 minutes. We just need to score. After they will be under pressure. I can guarantee you, if you are strong mentally, we can come back. It's not finished. And we come back. The last 15 minutes was better. Okay?
We changing room. Silito 1-0. Akufika ngaba right changing room. About coach naye mosu phezulu.
Tadle no hlakahlakana. Like everyone nabu wabona. And obvious into you. Focus karanisa leyo nyana so.
I'll tell daddy. Angeke uzoyenza like this. Angeke baba. Angeke. Not today. Not today. Ayinamhlanje.
Cabanga ukuthi bonke umuntu because of befuna ukwena, yabo. And babone egame ukuthi izinto zami kahle. So ngicanga ukuthi yona into enza ukuthi kukhozeke sasiphithiphithi in no coach I think naye indlela abecabanga ngoba befuna ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siwine.
Be careful. Be careful. Now we are losing. Every people start to speak. I don't like this. Everybody want to be coach. Everybody want to give advice. Be careful. What I'm looking is my team. I know that we can come back and we can win that game.
The change room made that whole thing worse because it's so small and it's cramped. We are losing a game in the semi-final against Sundowns. It's the first experience, a group of us being under pressure of a knockout game with the new coach.
Then ucoach wafika kumina wathi hayi ngiyabona ukuthi ukhathele yabo mina ngicabanga ngizokuchinja ngifaka uMariko yabo but because ucoach angikwazi mina ukumphikisa uyena ubonayo wena ngendlela abona ngayo and they right because egcine sifuna ukuwina sonke ayi imagine data
Askolozile Nchutai last 15 mfethu because coach thought he was tired yabo yena sembuza ukuthi kathela tha sasho ukuthi hayi mfethu siye pusha last 15 or 20 yabo and let's see we can get a goal before that.
Can I just see the change in mentality? How quick we start, the arrogance that this team has. Can I see it in the field? We can't just throw in the towel. You just need one goal to come back.
For me, in moments like that, it's trying to get some of the key players, to get them to be calm, not only calm, but understand the situation. A goal for us changes everything.
He can hit them from a mile.
He can indeed, and that's a good passage of play for Orlando Pirates, expecting that.
Yeah, I think the feeling of anxiety, up there, but positive as well to say we will come back, we can come back.
Fortunately for us, the guys that also came on, they came on with that energy. They gave the guys the energy. When Sejo came on, he started pressing up on top. When Sipo came on also in the middle, he started giving us that boost in terms of playing. So that helps.
Now, keeper's going to have to come up. It's going to be going in. Oh, what a mess. They're claiming a handball. It's not going to. It's an equalizer.